Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. And here comes to you another video about the Toyota Tech. This time about the level of the gear oil in the rear diff. So I'm doing inspection for this owner, right? So to remove the plug, which is the filler, and also the level, right? Plug, level access. As usually I use this 24mm socket and remove the plug, and that's when I immediately saw that something is unusual. And why am I saying that? Well, it's very simple, and most of you know. If you open this plug, right, the bottom one, which is right there, let me point it on it. This is a drain, right? But here is the filler. If you open that, there should be slight flow of the gear oil coming out. And that's a usual situation, right? Very slight overflow. That means the previous person filled it correctly, and also there are no leaks anywhere and the gear oil was not lost. But as you can see, there's no oil, right? I open it and there's no oil, gear oil coming. So that means that it's low. Now, how low is it? Well, it's very simple. You don't need any special tools. Ideally, your pinky, and you can try to reach the level of the oil. Don't get your finger stuck there, obviously. And let's see if I was able to reach. And I put it in and I barely touch it. I can see the level. I mean, the quality of the oil is pretty good. Now, maybe finally, right now you can see it. It's flowing on my finger. So I was able to touch it, right? It's pretty clear, but I can tell you the level of the gear oil is slightly below where it's supposed to be. Now, considering the whole situation, what's happening today, I will do this. The customer pay me for thorough inspection, right? And if the oil, the gear oil, was bad and burnt and old, I will just write in the comments, hey, it's low, it's old, I recommend flush it or replace it ASAP. Because the oil is good, it looks really nice and clean, and it's just slightly low, I don't mind using my own oil, right? Because it should be just a little bit. I have the perfectly matching full synthetic oil here, right? I have this pump, right? It's very easy for me. So I will go ahead and add some. And it should be just a little bit. And that will not ruin me. And as you can see, this is exactly what was needed. The oil is very slowly coming out, so I gave him just, what is it? Well, a little bit less than the pint here on the meter, and I know he can keep driving. And of course, anytime you work on the rear diff, right, you play with the level or whatever, checking the fluid level, you always check that breather, that it's freely spinning and it's not plugged by the dirt. And I filmed that for you, so you are one little step closer to become the Toyota expert, right? Now you know almost everything about the rear differential. So make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.